In today's class, we will discuss the topic woodwork hand tools, boring tools and cutting tools content. Boring tools play a crucial role in woodworking by facilitating the creation of holes in wood. They encompass various types, each designed for specific tasks. 1. The brace. The brace serves as a hand tool for securely gripping and rotating drill bits or twist drills when drilling holes in wood. There are two primary types of braces, the plain brace and the ratchet brace. Components of a brace include the head. The head, made of sturdy wood, fits on a steel sleeve, ensuring comfy grip and smooth rotation on steel balls. 2. The crank. This is a bent metal rod, often rectangular in shape, that fits into a hardwood or plastic handle. The crank moves in a circular motion known as the sweep of the brace. 3. The chuck. The end of the crank is enlarged, threaded, and slotted to accommodate the socket and jaws, ensuring secure bit attachment. 4. The ratchet. The ratchet in the brace enables drilling in tight spaces and one-direction bit rotation, utilizing half the sweep of the brace. 2. Bits. Bits are essential woodworking tools used to bore holes in wood. They typically feature a threaded center point for efficient drilling. Various types of drill bits include twist drill, twist bits or auger, countersink bits. 3. Bradawl. This tool is employed for creating small holes in wood prior to the insertion of screws or nails. Additionally, it can be used to mark hole positions before drilling. 4. Gimlet. Primarily used for making holes in wood to accommodate small screws and nails. Enhancing the description of cutting tools. Cutting tools are indispensable for dividing wood into multiple parts or shaping it as needed. The teeth of saws are alternately set left and right to provide clearance. Types of saws. 1. Rip saw. Ideal for sawing along the grain of wood, featuring 4 to 5 points per 25 mm and a length of 610 to 710 mm. 2. Crosscut saw. Designed for cutting wood across the grain, resembling the rip saw in appearance but measuring only 460 to 510 mm long and having 6 to 9 points per 25 mm. 3. Panel saw. A versatile saw capable of performing tasks of both rip and crosscut saws, with a length of 460 to 550 mm. 4. Back saw. Notable for its steel or brass back, it includes the tenon saw and dovetail saw. 5. Coping saw. Designed for precision cutting of curves in thin wood and plywood, with an adjustable blade, approximately 150 mm long, and about 14 points per 25 mm. 6. Fret saw. Suited for intricate shapes and curves in plywood and veneers, characterized by a fine blade and a high frame, enabling use over a wide area. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.